What is up, everybody? Okay, mic check, mic check, mic check. Okay, mic check, mic check, mic check. Yep, sounds good. Just changed my OBS noise gate a little bit. Hopefully it captures less clicks, which is annoying because it just adds noise for no reason. But yeah, welcome to probably a quick and dirty Need Free-to-Play development stream. Hold on one second. Here we go. So I was looking at the board and I was seeing that there's like a lot of stuff to do. We've got like 31 different things we have to do, like 10 of which are probably like super low importance and have been there for, you know, a year. But a big one right now is I'm not showing the rules on the website anywhere. And let me do one more audio check. This sounds a little bit high. A little bit loud. Let's do one more audio check. Let's do one more audio check. Yeah, that sounds fine. It just sounds weirdly loud to me. I'm gonna turn it down on my side. And I need to keep that open, I think. 1 second. Oh, that's right. I don't show that on this stream. That's fine. Okay, so yeah, we need to show the rules on the website. That's a big thing because currently we're not showing them anywhere on the website, and that's just bad. So let's fix that. Rank 3. Yeah, let me stop this so that doesn't run. Actually, let's do net stat. Okay, there we go. Now we can run. Okay. I haven't worked on the website in a while. It's a bit embarrassing, actually. Get status. Yes, I think we want to just turn off main. What is this? 156. Yeah, so what I'm thinking is once this loads up, I'm thinking we're gonna put. Why is this taking so? We're gonna put a link to the rules page that we're gonna create on this page, on the register page, and we're also gonna put it on the create account page. It's basically just going to be a checkbox that says, yes, you've agreed to the rules. So the problem is right now a lot of people don't join Discord, and the only place that the rules are for the server is Discord. So I don't want people to come across the server, not join Discord, and think, hey, I can bot, you know? Or, you know, they should know the rules before they create an account. It's actually a fucking huge flaw. Sorry for the F-bomb. A huge flaw with the website design that I just never thought about. So we're going to fix that. First, we have to create the rules page. Source. Pages. I guess it can just be at the root. We can also have it in about. Let's put it in about. Copy the structure because it's probably going to be very similar. The page heading is gonna be. Wait, rules of conduct doesn't make any sense. Rules. And this is gonna be. It's gonna look very much like the Need Free to Play rules page, which is just. There's like 10 rules, that's it. I'm probably just gonna copy this. And I'm thinking we want like a numbered list here, so let's say we'll use this, but then we'll just make this let's see, we could do this a couple ways. We could use an ordered list, or we could do a feature list. Let's see how a feature list looks, and we might just change it to an ordered list. Let's just put this here somewhere. Oops, that's not what I meant to copy or paste. I guess we could just make this all on one line. Comments inside children section of tag to be placed inside voices. What? Like that? That makes no sense. I don't get what that symbol is saying. What if this character is invisible? Really? Does that fix the other issue? No. Let's do. There we go. I think that's it. Okay, so I can't put like emoji in here? That's stupid. Let's remove some of this. I just want to see if this actually doesn't show up like VS Code is telling me it does. It renders, but it renders with errors. Is it really all because of this stupid icon? It's all because of that stupid icon? No. just gotta get rid of this until I need it. Man, I'm really not getting why it can't hydrate correctly. But apparently it can't hydrate correctly. Oh, expected oh, okay. What this is saying is, it's saying you can't have a UL in a P, which I should have gotten the clue from the existing code, because it doesn't have it. It doesn't have this feature list in a body text. So, yeah, so what we need to do, yeah, it doesn't have it in a body text. So, Control Y, and then just remove the text. If we're doing a feature list. What the heck is this other? Oh, okay, that's a stream. Okay, now there are no, like, 9 errors. I don't even know what this means. I've never seen it before. Oh, it's one of those like plugin errors. I'm just kidding. It's plugin related. It's not an actual error. Do I want the rules to look like this? Not really. I want them to be numbered. So let's just go with what we had in mind before. Ordered list. Basically get rid of this now. Take a look at that. 1, be respectful, blah blah blah. Okay, cool. Yeah, we'll just do this for all of them. Maybe we can get rid of this now. Some of these are more Discord specific rules, so it's like this one, it doesn't really apply that much to RC. What's up, Moltar? Welcome to the stream. Probably just gonna keep this one because I want them to be the same between Discord and the site. The drama. Cool. Welcome in. I think I already put this one somewhere. No drama. I think apostrophes I have to use an APOS semicolon. They don't show up correctly. Okay. Getting somewhere. And then this wouldn't be a list item, this is just like a thing to say at the end. You could even put this in a call out. Oh boy. Children? Oh, I see. Okay, this is how we do this. I love that this is a rule. Don't be a douche. We're gonna try to put an emoji here, but it didn't like the last one we did, so let's see. Okay. Didn't need body text, didn't need feature list. Do this now. So this is gonna look pretty bad. Let's just look at it. This is the yeah, I have some styling to do. Missing some spaces. Formatting and fonts and stuff like that. Why is this so bold? This is humongous. It doesn't need to be bold. Make it not bold. It's probably not going to change a ton. I'm just going to get rid of that. Gonna get rid of the emoji. It doesn't really do too much. And this is a good call out, I guess. We could make that a warning, maybe. Yeah, makes sense. Okay, we just need to fix the styling of these lines. I don't know why it's so spaced out. I wonder if it has something to do with the strong tag. No. Cool. It just doesn't make any sense. I think that should fix the spacing issue. Yes, it did. Yeah, this seems to be centered for some reason. No sense. Yep, should be text align left. LI. And just need some basic formatting. So just make a I haven't styled otherwise already. Styled li. Next line left, and then family. What have I been using nowadays? I don't even know. Font family. Source Sans Pro, probably fine. We could also do Ceros. It doesn't look that great. Sometimes. Oh, you know what I just realized? I have all my add-ons disabled. I think. Yeah, I disabled all my add-ons to test something a while back. Probably like re-enable those now. Okay, maybe that'll... Because I think one of the things that one of my add-ons does is, yes, it automatically renames the closing tag when you change the starting tag. So let's see how that looks. Yeah, it looks better. I don't like the size. Make it bigger. Something like maybe 16. Is that already 16? If that's 16, that's the smallest 16 I've ever seen. Try 20. There we go. That's more what I'm looking for. Maybe some spacing between them. I'm also gonna go with source and let's see. Adding bottom. The pixels might be a little bit aggressive. That actually looks okay. Even have more. Yeah, that looks okay to me. This looks pretty good to me, to be honest. It's just a little bit out of place because we use Ceros like everywhere, so to have this not use Ceros is a little bit weird. Maybe I'll switch it back just for consistency. I'm also noticing that's not the same font as this. This is Source Sans Pro. I don't know. I just noticed an issue too. This or is supposed to be italics. I'll say. God, what's the HTML tag for that? Emphasis. There we go. Let's see. Am I missing any other formatting things? No, doesn't look like it. Okay. I am gonna change it to Source Sense Pro, whatever. Looks better. Feels like the letter spacing is a little bit tight. We'll try changing. I mean, that's way too wide. This looks nice. Easy to read, I think. Oh, line height is what I'm missing. I thought something still looked weird. Line height, 24 pixels. Looks good. Let's jack it up a little bit. This looks pretty good. I think that's good enough. Yeah. This is perfect. Let's go with this. I might put a blurb in saying that this applies to like Discord and other things. Center maybe? I think we'll make that left alone. Now the fonts don't match up, and I don't like that. Oh, it has a phone family thing. That's nice. Let's see if that actually works, though. Oh, it does. Cool. Yeah, that works well. So now, like, give some space there. Like 20 pixels or something. Does that actually work? I already got 20 pixels around. Okay. Seemed like it could use a little bit more. Yeah, that's fine. Alright. Then we can just remove that because I think it's the standard. unless it actually makes sense. Oh no, it does. Okay, cool. This is 16. Okay, I'm actually gonna keep that then. That's actually making something different. Okay, cool. I still want to make this bold, but it made it so big. I didn't like that. Let's see what happens now. It still makes it humongous. It's just a little bit more bold than I want. It's fine. This looks great. Okay, so the page is basically done. Let's check mobile. Tablet first, I guess. Tablet looks good. Let's check mobile. Jack this up to 100%. Yeah, this looks fine to me. It's very readable. We can maybe change the line height for mobile, but I don't think we need to. It's not like hard to read, cramped or anything. Okay, so now that the page is up, let's go ahead and add a bunch of links to it. Let's go to the register page, which is actually the create account page. So I think just above the submit button, we should have a checkbox that says I've read and agreed to the rules. Something like that. Checkbox. Give us an example of this. See. Call it handle rules check, and then we need to put a link in here, which I don't even know if is valid for HTML, but we can just try it. Inline link href / about / rules. Something like that, and then when they change it, let's take a look at this as an example. Oh, okay, we're just checking it opposite. Set rules agree. Something like that. Rules agree too. So basically there's going to be a new state thing here. Rules Agreed to, set is agreed to. It's just gonna be a boolean, which means it's gonna be false by default. Except you don't call it boolean. Oh yes you do. Okay. So yeah, this is just gonna set it to whatever it is, the opposite of what it is. So it should work for our use case. Property children does not exist. Okay, I did not know that. Maybe they have a label? No. Let's see. Let's look at MUI's documentation. Oh, you know what? I can just look at this example. Oh, that's right. It's a form control label. So you put control equals what I just put. And then you say label equals so then there wouldn't be children. I don't know how this is gonna work. This be a React node. Okay, cool. So then we're just gonna do. I think we can just do a fragment. Maybe. And now we don't need to use this closing tag like this. And prettier is not working. Okay, that's good to know. Probably because I haven't finished this form control label. Okay, that might be okay now. Let's see. Cool. Okay, so there's like two spaces here, it looks like. Maybe not. But it's annoying me. I'm gonna have to make this checkbox blue and let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna look at this other example. Oh, color success. That's right. So I use color success just because it's green, so it matches the color palette of the site. Pretty simple. But we need some spacing here. Because this is just not... It's too close. So maybe I should remove that space? Because it looks so bad. That looks better. Inline link must have some spacing before it that I forgot about. Let's see. I think this is the first actual usage of a checkbox spacing only. Might want to make this a new control. Like rules checkbox or something. Because we're putting it in two different forms. I think that makes sense. Inline link is a atom or molecule? Atom. Okay, let's make a molecule. Let's call it I'm just gonna call it rules acceptance checkbox. Maybe not the greatest thing, whatever. Index.ts. Oh, you know what? I think there's an easier way to do this now. Kidding. Molecules, create template folder. There we go. I love this folder templates plugin for VS Code. It automatically creates a structure based on what you think you're gonna need. So yeah, it's just gonna return this checkbox, but this is gonna be like a custom class. So we go into styled, we're gonna have like rules. I guess we'll call it a checkbox, even though, let's say rules form control, maybe that makes sense. And then it's a form control label. If it's form, well, I should probably call it rules form control label, and then really just gonna add some margin and that's it. Saying margin made me think of margarine, and I have not used that in years. I used that when I was poor. That's the last time other people used margarine. Okay. Margarine is like a weird type of butter where it's not like the same. It doesn't taste as good. I don't remember. It's been so long. Add missing function declaration. Yeah, let's see. How are we gonna do this? I guess we define this further up. We'll call this handle change. Not sure if we need a second one yet. This might be it. This might be all we need. It should probably be called on check or something like that. It's on change. Okay. Get rid of this import. Oops. Okay, cool. There's a healthy amount of space below the confirm password button, so I think that's pretty good. Now we need to say don't allow them to submit it if they have not agreed. We could do something like I see trouble with this though. Android when? I don't know. Rules agreed to. Oh god, I see problems with this because the state isn't going to get updated right away. guess we could just add this as part of the main like creation logic. Something like that. So, oh, it still worked. Okay, we have a bug fix then. I think we should keep the submit disabled until they check this box. I think that makes the most sense. So basically, if it's not true, by the time they click, it means that's going to be true in a moment, so then we don't disable the button. If that makes sense. Let's see if that works in practice. So it works in practice, but not on initial load. So, I think it should be disabled by default or something. This is probably gonna break something else. Let's see, maybe not. Oh, maybe it doesn't, because then basically if they don't check that box, then yes, they can't create an account, but once they check the box, then they can. I guess that works. On the top right of the homepage by the login button. That's smart. I have considered that. I've considered a dark mode. I just haven't implemented it yet. Let's put that in the backlog, because it is something I thought about. Good call. Yeah. It's on the list now. Yeah, so I think that works because basically the password just doesn't match. Okay, so there's a validation error. And then we fix it. I gotta make sure there's like a way to get around the system. Yeah. they basically have to kind of check that box. I think this works well. Now there's like a bit too much space above the button though. I think. Interesting, there's an empty span here. This is... We're in the top 40. What is this empty span? Oh, this is for the validation error, I think. If we say... Yeah. I don't think... If there's no validation error, I don't think this should render. Yeah, the wikis usually have that. I'll have to look into that. I don't think it would be too hard, but I'm not sure. We need something like this. Validation error. So the idea is only show this, only render this element if there's actually an error to show. It has cut down the space. This does jump now though, which is not great. No. Not a huge deal. Okay, so let's try this again. Make sure this works. Okay, it takes them to a new page in the same tab. I don't like that. I'm gonna say target is blank, that way it opens a new tab. And go back. Now when I click this, it opens in a new tab. They can read the rules. Let's see. Let's put in my email. Oof. I think that error needs to be better. Jesus. Yeah, this error needs to be fixed. Should say like the account is already taken or something. I think I might even have a ticket for this. Okay. I hate when you work on a bug or a feature and then you find more issues that you need to work on. Okay. So, let's see. This validation error, if they uncheck and then fix it, yeah, they still can't. think it's working fine. Let's add it to the other page as well, and then we'll basically be done. So game accounts, create. So we're gonna put it above the button, rules, acceptance, checkbox, and change. Yes, that's it. Okay, cool. Just gotta add that state here as well. Don't love the duplicate code, but just setting state, I don't know. Fix it later. Okay, check the box. Yeah. Okay. So, plug in. Gonna hide the screen just for a second. Yes. Go. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to check that we're seeing this checkbox in the form, and they create an account, and it looks good. So, I wonder if we could have just made this required. I wonder if that's possible. Might have been simpler. Oh, you can totally make it required. Don't I feel stupid? Okay. I think we could have just done this. I don't know how this works now. Let's say my new account is Groovy Man. Okay, submit. Okay, there we go. So we didn't actually need the code we had before. We had to put it for the other page. Groovy Man is born. Okay. Yeah, we just needed that required way. So I can go back here and basically still want to set this, but we don't have to submit. We don't have to set the submit to disable or not. We're going to set this back to false. And register. Oops, let me not do that. So now if I submit this without, I can't brute force it. Cool. I have to do that. Cool. Yeah, that makes sense to me. And count. Same thing here, can't brute force it, have to say, okay, I have read and agreed to the server, I have read and agree the server rule. Yeah. Cool. Alright, so that's basically done now. I'm probably gonna come back and code review this and make some changes, but we're gonna just push this up now. I'm gonna diff it first. Do a good diff and just see how it looks. We don't need this anymore, I thought. Yeah, we don't need that anymore, so we can actually get rid of that. And we should probably retest the game accounts one now after we do that, but let's finish our diff. Yep, looks good, looks good. Okay, yeah, so we're adding the rules acceptance checkbox, we're adding the rules agreed to state, we're setting the state, that's basically it. We made a change for validation error so it doesn't render if there's no error, but otherwise it's the same thing. So it looks good to me, and do the game accounts page again. Yep, can't proceed without doing that. There's a validation error. Can I submit? I cannot. If I uncheck and then fix the validation error, still have to do that. Cool. Working well. What happened to my message? Darn you. Okay, that's what I want to say. My cats are outside and literally meowing at me, so I have to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this very short stream. I hope to do more of these. I'd love to do these on a daily basis. Just, you know, make a dent in the website stuff. Hope you guys enjoyed it this week or next week. I hope to finally start on the NPC high scores. So, hoping to get that done and out of the way. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you next time. I don't have an outro, so I'll have to fix that for next episode or next stream, and I'll see you next time.